remove the right wheel and inner wheel arch liner. Loosen tensioner, and remove the auxiliary belt. Mark up the crank pulley. There's a few bits up top to remove. Let's start by removing the coolant header tank. To be able to remove the mount and can cover, the fuel pipes need moving out the way. These pipes are quick release. Mark them up though, so they don't get mixed up. With the engine supported, remove the engine mount. Now the top cover can be removed. It has two plastic clips, one either side. Then a plastic screw clip, at the front in the middle. This can be barred out from the top. The engine mount bracket can now be removed, to access the belt. The lower cover is attached with the same clips. Pop off and lift out. Remove the crank pulley, this is keyed. Then mark up the pulley, cam belt, and back plate. You will duplicate these marks on the new belt, ensuring perfectly timed belt replacement. You will duplicate these marks on the new belt, ensuring perfectly timed belt replacement. Now loosen tensioner and remove belt. To remove the water pump, the back plate needs removing. This is held in place by 3/8 millers. The water pump can now be removed. The gasket will be joined to the lower plate. Simply cut it away, then the mating face can be cleaned ready for the new gasket. Now, refit pump and backplate ready for fitment of the new tensioner. When refitting tensioner, ensure that the back peg fits in the lug on the cylinder head. Once fitted, the belt can be replaced. Duplicate the marks from the old belt onto the new belt. This way you can ensure the timing is correct. Using an Allen key tension belt, the pointer will align when correct tension is reached, seen here, then tighten. Now, complete 2 full revolutions of the engine by hand, then recheck timing marks. If marks and tension is correct, you can rebuild in reverse order. How did you find the job? If you have any questions, pop them below and I will answer them as soon as possible.